In this lecture, we will see data types in JavaScript and built-in functions. What is data type? Data type is a type of a data. When user store information, it can be alphabets, numbers, or alphanumeric values. So, for storing value, different types of values, different data types are used. In JavaScript, provide different data types. First is a number. Now, number can be whole number or it can be decimal point number. It can be positive or it can be a negative number. For storing these different types of numbers, number data type is used. In example, 100 assigned to the variable a, which is an integer number, that is whole number without decimal point, and 67.99 assigned to the variable b, so this is number is a decimal point, or you can say floating point number. The next is string, is the collection of the character stores text. Always remember, if you want to assign string value to the variable, then it should be enclosed in single or double quote. In example, you can see how string value assigned to the variable. Now next is boolean type. It only returns two values, true or false. We saw it in operators lecture. Next, infinity data type. If you try to divide number by 0, then it returns special value, that is infinity. Then null, if something does not exist, then it returns null. And last is undefined. If you declare variable but not assign value to the variable, and if you are trying to display it, then result is undefined. You can see it in this output that age is declared but no value assigned to the age, and if you are going to display value for the age, then it display undefined cause value is not defined to the age variable. In this way, we saw number, string, boolean, infinity, null, and undefined data types. Now, let us see built-in functions. But before that, we will see what is function. Function is used to perform repetitive tasks whenever required. It is reusable code block that will be executed when it is called. Actually, function have two types. First is built-in function, also called as a predefined functions, and second is user-defined function, means user write code for the function, and predefined means it is already present in JavaScript. Now we will see built-in functions which are available in JavaScript. We have to only call the function cause functions are already defined. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपके पास मोबाइल में फ़ोन बुक है और आपको किसी को कॉल करना है, तो आपको उस पर्सन का नेम सिलेक्ट करके कॉल लगाना पड़ेगा, तब जाके कॉल लगेगा. सेम हियर, इफ यू वांट टू यूज एनी बिल्ट इन फंक्शन, you have to call it using the name of the function. Always remember, JavaScript is a case sensitive. Now we will see function so that you will be more clear. First is prompt function. How we can say that this is the function? Cause function contains parenthesis after the function name. So here prompt is the function name. When you want to use prompt function, then you have to always write prompt in lowercase cause JavaScript is a case sensitive. For example, अगर आपको किसी का नंबर उसके सरनेम से सेव करोगे, तो आपको कॉल करते समय उसका सरनेम ही सर्च करना होगा. अगर उसके फर्स्ट नेम से सर्च करोगे तो उसका नंबर नहीं मिलेगा. सेम जावास्क्रिप्ट में बिल्ट इन फंक्शंस के नाम हमें एज इट इज़ यूज करने पड़ते हैं, otherwise it will not work or execute. In the prompt function, if you write P in capital, M capital, then it will not work. It always in a lowercase letter. Now we will start what is the use of the prompt function. Prompt is used to take input from user. Then in parentheses write down message to the user, then user can understand what he or she have to do. So in this example, prompt is used and whatever you write in the parentheses and in double quote, that display to the user. And in this pop-up box, user will get one input box to write value. After writing value, if user press OK, OK button, then in n variable that value will be stored. And if user press cancel button, then in n variable null value is stored. For example, if here I write 4 and press OK, then 4 store in n variable and otherwise null value store in n variable. Next is parseInt function, which converts value into number or integer. When you write parseInt, then always remember I always in capital. If you write it in small, then it will not work. Now see this example. 10 is written in the double quote. So it is considered as a string and convert it into number without decimal point. Next example 10.33. So result is only whole number. It will not consider 33, that is after decimal point. The next is 100 mh. It only convert 100. It will not consider alphabets. Next is mh100. In this example, first letter is an alphabet, so that it gives the result as NaN, stands for not a number. In this way, parseInt convert string into number. The next is parseFloat function, convert string into floating point number. Here also f is always in uppercase. In first example, mh100 is a string value, but it starts with alphabet, so that it gives the result NaN, that is not a number. The second example, it converts 100.00 string into 100.00 floating point number. And here in this example, 100.2 mh only convert till 2. After that, mh are the alphabets, so that it will not consider. In this way, parseFloat work. The next is alert predefined function. Display pop-up box alert display function, pop-up box window with OK button. It's just like a message box. For example, after submission of form, if you want to display message, form is successfully submitted to the user, then you can use alert function. How to write alert? Write down alert in lowercase. Then in the parenthesis and in the double quote, write down the message that you want to display to the user, like welcome to JavaScript in example and hello message. Display on the pop-up, welcome to the JavaScript and hello message display on the pop-up box with only OK button. Now next is confirm. Confirm pop-up box with OK and cancel button. It displays pop-up box with OK and cancel button, because here we are going to take confirmation about something from the user. So if user confirm, then he or she press OK button, else cancel button. For example, if you are going to delete folder, then one pop-up box comes with message that are you sure you want to delete this folder? If you are sure, then you press OK, else you will be press cancel button. So your folder will not be deleted. In this example, do you want to continue? Is the confirmation message which written inside the double quote, and if user will press OK, then true value stored inside the ANS variable, and if user press OK cancel button, then it stores false value in the ANS variable. Remember, confirm pop-up box come with OK and cancel button, and alert come with only OK button. Next, to lowercase. This function converts string into uppercase letters. Oh shit. Sorry, into a lowercase letters. In this function, name L and C is in capital L and C is in capital form. Let us see example. JavaScript string store in string variable str variable, and using two lowercase function we can convert it into lowercase. So when you write this function, that time the name of the variable which holds string is write first, that is str, and then dot, and then the function name, that is two lowercase, and this is the important two parentheses, and result is stored inside the same variable, or you can take another variable like xy, you can take anything. In this example, same str variable is used to store the result. Here you can see the output all in small letters. In the same way, two uppercase work. Here also U and C is in capital. In this example also JavaScript is a string, and using a two uppercase function it will be converted all letters in uppercase. You can see output of this function all in uppercase. And last is isNaN, which is used to check given value is number or not. It returns true if value is not a number, and it returns false if value is a number. Here you can see this example isNaN CP100. It returns true cause first letter is alphabet, so it will be considered as a not a number. And in the second example it returns false cause it is a number. So remember, if it is not a number it returns true, and if it is a number then it returns false. In this way we saw different types data types in JavaScript and built-in functions in JavaScript.